Looky here. We have ourselves some delicious garlic Parmesan shrimp scampi pasta. I'm not talking any shrimp. I'm talking Argentine shrimp. I'm not talking any pasta. I'm talking homemade pasta. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. To begin, we're gonna start with that homemade pasta. You guys will be surprised how easy it is to make your own pasta at home. All you need for this recipe is on the screen here: 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, as well as 2 large eggs. You're gonna go ahead and create a little pocket right in the middle of the flour and drop your 2 eggs right up in there. And once we have our eggs in there, you want to kind of fold that flour into the egg. Fold it into the egg until everything is nice and combined. And guys, like I always say, I'm coming through with another banger, another double take recipe where they're gonna look at you once and they're gonna look at you twice, like how you done made this darn good. Cause this is just another level, guys, another level of flavor. You cannot go wrong with some garlic Parmesan shrimp scampi pasta. That's a whole lot of words and there's a whole lot of goodness up in this recipe. Once you have all that egg folded into the flour, you're gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of water to the dough and just get into that whole kneading process. It's a little bit of work, but it's well worth it in the end when you're sitting at that table and eating all of this goodness. Trust and believe me, the kneading process probably takes about a whole, about 5 minutes. And once you have it all done, it should look like so. We're gonna wrap it in some saran wrap and then toss it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes. Once the time is up, you want to go ahead and flour up your cutting board or your countertop, wherever that you're working. And we're gonna toss that dough right on top. And here's a little bit of a technique to make things easier. We're gonna slice this dough into 3 pieces. This is so that we're not working with a giant piece of dough. It just makes life so much easier when we're doing this recipe. And what you want to do is just roll it out both ways. You want this dough to be paper thin. I'm talking notebook paper thin, guys. Now that our dough is nice and thin, we are gonna get our roll on. You're gonna grab your pasta dough just like so and just kind of roll it up like a yoga mat. Grab a knife and slice your pasta dough just like so, guys. Look how easy this is. It takes nothing to get this. You don't need a pasta maker to cut your pasta dough. You could just do it just like so. This is a super easy technique that anybody can do. Look at this, guys. Look at the end results. Super simple, super easy. You know how it goes. So you're gonna repeat this process until you have all your dough rolled out and cut. Then you're gonna get a pot of water, get it nice and hot, get that thing boiling, drop a little bit of salt in that thing, and then get your pasta swimming up in that thing, guys. And this is fresh pasta, so it takes almost no time to cook, guys. Before you know it, I say about 5 to 6 minutes, your pasta should be done. So moving on, my pasta is nice and fully cooked. I got it drained out. And we're gonna move on to these Argentine shrimp. You can use any shrimp of your liking, but the flavor of these shrimps is top notch, top level, guys. What I did here is just added a little bit of olive oil in that pan, then went ahead and dropped our shrimp up in there. We got our stove to about a medium high, and you want to get these bad boys sizzling. We're gonna add the ingredients listed on the screen, which is minced garlic, as well as some dry seasonings that I'm gonna list as well. You want to just get those in there, get everything nice and combined, get those shrimp cooking, get that aroma up in the room, in the kitchen, oh my gosh, and just whiff it in, because it just smells so amazing. And guys, let me know down in the comments, have you ever tried Argentine shrimp? I'm pretty sure you can get them online. Matter of fact, I'm almost positive you could get them online, because you know it's a little tough to find at your average grocery store. I bought mine at Publix. Once we had our shrimp kind of cooking and almost there as far as fully cooked, you know, just about there, almost there, we added a total of 1 stick of butter, added 1/2 at a time, but in total 1 stick of unsalted butter. And we're just gonna continue getting everything nice and mixed up. Now we are going to reintroduce our pasta to the party, and we're also gonna dump some Parmesan cheese and some dried parsley. You can use fresh parsley if you like, but this is what I had on hand. And you want to get these mixed up, get them talking, get the party jumping, guys. Man, if you can smell what I smell right now, it smells so good in my kitchen, I'm telling you. And guys, this is the end result. This is it. Your garlic Parmesan shrimp scampi pasta. And this is so good. The Argentine shrimp just gives it that extra oomph, if you know what I'm talking about. Cause oh man, I'm trying to tell you guys, this is so good. This is one of my favorites. So delicious, so easy to make. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the like button, guys. I really appreciate all of you guys watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Deuces.